Umnyango wezolimo nokuthuthukiswa kweindawo zasemakhaya eGauteng ubambeke ingqungquthela yamasu okugcina ukudla kwenele eRandburg namuhla ekseni nokuyindlela ke yokubhekana nokuntuleka kokudla okuthinta ke kakhulukazi umuzi ngamunye kwemine esifundazweni saseGauteng. Lo mbuthano ke uhlanganisa ke izinhlaka ezihlukene kahulumeni, izinhlangano zomphakathi kanye ke namabhizinisi ukuze ke bakhe uhlelo leminyaka emihlanu olugxile ke kwenzeni ngcono ukutholakala kokudla kanye nokuqinisa ukukhiqizwa kokudla endaweni. Ungqongqoshe uVuyiswa Ramokgopa uthi ke umnyango uhlose ukunciphisa indlala ngo-10% ngonyaka ka-2029.
Isebe lezolimo nophuhliso lwamaphandle laseGauteng libambe umsitho wokushukuxa nokuza namacebo malunga nomba wokutya nesondlo. Ukuphendula kumceli-mngeni okhulayo ukungafikeleleki kokutya kubantu abaninzi kwiphondo.
We gather here to do more than just talk. This is a moment for us to collectively reflect, collectively come up with solutions, and collectively craft what will become Gauteng's food and nutrition policy. And that will guide the work of the department and the province for the next 5 years. You'll note we call it food and nutrition security. Those are very important distinctions. We often talk about food security. Nutrition is left behind. Because the quality of food is as important as the quantity and the availability of food.
Umphathiswa wezolimo nophuhliso lwamaphandle eGauteng uVuyiswa Ramokgopa ngethuba lentetho yakhe uthethe ngenhlelo abanazo belisebe ukulwa nendlala nokwehlisa izinga layo ngomyingi ka-10% ngonyaka ka-2029.
In our medium-term development plan, which is a 5-year departmental commitment that starts at the beginning of the term, which would have been 2024 and goes until 2029, one of our key deliverables that we've committed to is to reduce hunger in this province by 10%. And by hunger, we're talking about the chronic hunger that has been measured by Stats SA at a household level.
Elisebe lithi likwiphulo lokufumana izisombululo zesigxina kunye nokuqhubeka nokwakha ubudlelwane obuliqilima phakathi korhulumente necandelo labucala. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eRandburg.
Khona manjalo njengendlela ke yokubhekana nezinkinga ezimayelana nokudla, umnyango wezempilo eGauteng usuyibophezele ukuthuthukisa izinhlobo zokudla okutholakala ke ezikhungweni zezempilo ukuze ke kuthuthukiswe impilo ekahle. Ungqongqoshe wezempilo kulesi sifundazwe uNomantu Nkomo Ralehuku uthi ke izinkinga eziningi eziqaphelekayo kwizikhungo zezempilo yilezo ezikhombisa ukushoda ngokuya ngasethunjini, ikakhulukazi ke kubantu abangakwazi nokuzinakekela njengezingane, izaguga kanye ke nabantu abanezifo ezingamahlala khona.
Nutrition is closely linked to health. Many of the conditions observed in our facilities are associated with poor nutrition, particularly among vulnerable groups such as children, old persons, and people living with chronic illnesses. This understanding reinforces the importance of providing healthy and balanced meals that support recovery and overall well-being of our citizens. We also recognize the healthy eating that must be reflected in our facilities. When we reviewed the menus in some of our clinics and hospitals, we realized that some meals were not balanced and nutritious as they should be. And this is a concern because we cannot encourage communities to eat healthy while serving meals in our own facilities that do not reflect those principles. And we have committed to updating these menus, ensuring that every meal supports recovery, health, and well-being. And I'm centrally in those menus. No menu in any hospital now is not approved by myself as the MEC. So any diet that you see, I eat those food, by the way. When I go to the hospital during lunchtime, I eat the lunch with the patients. And I'm forcing the CEOs to eat that food. And when I arrive in a hospital, I go and check in the kitchen. They provide me what are the patients going to eat every day. If I'm there during lunch or late afternoon, they will show me what they are going to use for the meal for supper. And they keep those plates for safety reasons, but at the same time, I need to know that was a balanced meal that anybody can eat. And it's working now when I've said to them, you must eat that food that patients are eating, because they know now that that food must be the right food that they are eating.